Sylvanian Family Values, Unboxing Milk Rabbit Family Set and Tea and Treats Set, with Andrew Bowen. That's me. Hello everyone, so today we're going to do the unboxing of the Familia dos Coelhos de Leche, which is the milk rabbit family, known as the Babblebrook family. So let's have a look at what's inside. Okay, so if we take them out here, we have the four of them here. I don't know their names, unfortunately. We've got the father, the mother, the daughter, and the son, and we've got very old-fashioned clothing. So let's get them all out. Okay, you can start for a moment, what? Okay, and we have a family now out of its box with the backdrop here. And here they all are. We have one with his interesting little clothes here, and he's got a nice little tail. And then the father, the mother, doing a nice little turn there, and the sister. Okay, I think that's about it. So that is the Milk Rabbit family, or the Babblebrook family, okay? Although I'll give them a different name when I do my animations. Okay, well, now let's see how they go with the outdoor tea and treat set. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, so we move on to the tea and treat set. Okay, which is these two little green chairs and a little green wrought iron table with some cups and a teapot on. So let's have a look inside. Oh, firstly, let's have a look at the box. This is what it contains. And there are some close-up images of it. Okay. So, let's get it out. Okay, so inside we have the table to start with. Okay. And we have the chairs. Now we've got the cups and the plates. Now we've also got the teapot, some Cameroons, cake slice.
Is it not macaroons?
Macaroons, I think they're macaroons, yes.
And Cameroons.
Did I say Cameroons? Macaroons. So, yeah. Yes. Okay, and we also have a cake dish. Well, I've forgotten what we call that now in English, but still. Okay, so let's have a look at it all set up. Okay, so now we have the set all set up. Tea and treats. We can see that the mother and father Babblebrook are sitting down to have a nice meal. There's no room, unfortunately, for the two children. So they'll just have to go away, won't they? Okay, unfortunately. This is adults only, I'm afraid. And they are enjoying this. We have the teapot, and we have a cup and saucer each, plus two plates. And there are 6 macaroons, 2 are pink, 2 are purple, and 2 are yellow. And there are 3 of these sets of chocolates. And of course we have this cake tray that they're using here. Okay. So that is the tea and treats outdoor set, or what's known as the conjunto origiccia e sobremesa. Okay, which means the set which is tea time and dessert. Okay, well, that's all from me. Goodbye.